एवरीवन। हम अभी बीरभूम ज़िले के भोलपुर सिटी में है। ये सिटी इतना ऐतिहासिक है, इतना मतलब बोल सकते हैं कि कोलकाता वेस्ट बंगाल की जो पहचान है, मतलब वेस्ट बंगाल इज़ अ कैपिटल ऑफ फिलोसॉफी कैपिटल, आर्ट कैपिटल, इंस्टीट्यूशनल, लाइक जो विरासत है हमारे देश की धरोहर है, एक ऐसे गुणगान से पूरा देश खड़ा हो जाता है। आपने गैस कर ही लिया होगा कि हम लोग ऐसा कौन सा गाना बजता है तो हम सब खड़े हो जाते हैं। हम लोग वही शहर, वही जगह में हम लोग घूम रहे हैं। हम लोग भोलपुर में घूम रहे हैं और यहाँ के यूथ से बातें कर रहे हैं। हम लोग एक इवेंट में आए थे, कल्चर यहाँ का क्या नाम होगा वो भी बताएंगे और उनसे बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे। लाइक वी आर वेरी क्यूरियस अबाउट बंगाल कल्चर एंड लाइक रविंद्रनाथ, स्पेशली रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जी, एंड लाइक हाउ लाइक एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन। आई वांट टू नो एवरीथिंग लाइक। सो आपका नाम और हम लोग कहाँ पे और ऐसे।
आई एम Shishana Mahapatra and I am from Purba Medinipur.
Okay.
And what shall I say about Rabindranath Tagore? Because he is the emotion. He is the emotion of our Bengalis, and not only the Bengalis but also for the whole world. Yeah. So this is Shantiniketan, and this place is called Srijoni Gram, and also the Silpanchal. And we can see here lots of traditional culture in Bengali, and that is related with Rabindranath Tagore, and we can say that this is the root of us.
Yeah.
Okay. And now we are standing here, and you can see that this is the most traditional dance. The Shautalis are performing here.
Okay, so like it is a Bengali.
Yeah. This is also a traditional dance.
Okay, which part of Bengal it is?
This is from Purulia or
Okay.
this kind of tradition.
Okay.
And this is called Shautali dance.
Okay.
And the first thing that I will say that Rabindra Sangeet, the root of us, and also the emotion, and there are not any kind of emotion that is not included in Rabindra Sangeet especially. There are grief, there are deepest love, desire, and also devotion, and some type of this goes beyond the metaphysical relationship and a kind of spiritual. So I think that I am a very little one for a kind of
Explain about him. Like, yeah. Describe him.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah. What is your name first?
My name is Raima Kaur from Haldia.
Okay.
And I'm studying in English honors.
Oh, so literature student.
Yes.
You are like follower of Rabindranath Tagore.
Yes.
So you want to tell like something to the people, like to the generation, like upcoming generation, and like what is your message, like what you want for the nation, what is your dream of a nation? Because Rabindranath Tagore gave us wings to fly, like in each and every way, like from thoughts to everything. So what is your view on that? Like what do you want? What is your dream?
Actually, I want that as you can see the nature, I just want to make the whole world like this. Okay. I think I can't express it.
But the feeling over here,
Yes,
like,
yes. Oh.
it is truly rooted like culture and like this is raw, real India. We have a series called Ashol
And
Bangla.
also there are lots of traditions which are fading out, and I just want to
Get back. Get it?
get it back.
So like Rabindranath Tagore is a gem. Like there's no doubt about it. Like he is the one who gave like a way to freedom. Like what is the meaning of freedom? What is the real meaning of freedom? So like I want to know like is right now also like his idol and like his thoughts are with us, his vision are with us. Like we are living it. Like as a youth, what you guys facing right now? Like you are living like what he wanted to live, or like you are just facing like there are a lot of political barrier and turmoil. So I want to know about political, like because election is going on. Youths are the future of the nation. So I want to especially know like what youths are thinking, what Bengal's youth are thinking. What is the like you are the raw of Bengal. Like so I want to know like can you just try to speak openly about what is the political view, because as Rabindranath Tagore ji says, like we have to freedom, we have freedom of speech, everything. From him everything comes. So please explain that.
That I have realized that Rabindranath Tagore had a big dream about it, but there is a big gap between the reality that we are facing now and also the purpose of show of it. So there are lots of show off, a kind of exaggeration, but there is not the real core or the heart in this matter. So I will say that there are lots of difference between the idealism or the thought of Rabindranath Tagore and also the reality that we are facing now. Yes, we know that Rabindranath Tagore had given us the way and also gives the light and how, and he also what may I say? He also showed us how to follow this way. But we are those people who are very much busy in how to show off our tradition, but not rooted in it actually.
Yeah.
So
I want to know like your political opinion, like what you want in future, like what is your goal, like what you want to do, what you want to be, and for people also, like for your surrounding, where you want to bring West Bengal, like where you want to take West Bengal, like I want to know about that, like whom you choose, like upcoming election is going on, so what will be your view?
I have no idea. I can't say any particular name, but I can say that a genuine party will come, and also they will be aware about the common peoples, I will say. There is a segregation in our society where the higher class belonging to the but the poor and the middle class, especially the middle class, are the victims.
Yeah.
So I will stress on this point.
Yeah, this is what Bengal is facing right now.
Yeah.
Middle class
And
is just...
I also want to say that the system of brain draining that we are observing, that a lots of brilliant students are going to the abroad for the research, for the studies. But I will say that if they get an opportunity in their own country, it would be better, and our country can get a lots of prosper and also a great place that Rabindranath Tagore also had mentioned. Yeah.
Because Bengal was the richest in everything, like it is right now, but it is not like we can't see as of now. It was an art capital, it was an philosophical capital, it was an finance capital. Britishers first time came to India, like and first time they came to West Bengal. Imagine the power West Bengal possesses. Imagine the capacity, the strength West Bengal have. So somewhere we are losing it. We are last few years, since last few years. So like I am requesting you guys to vote consciously, to choose your leader consciously, because you are giving your future to someone, like you are giving your whole future to someone, like for 5 years they will decide your future. So you like I'm just requesting you all, like your friends and you, like just try to choose a wiser person, and because we are the future, like our parents and like all will, like after 20-30 years we are going to we have to run the country. So that is what. So like I want to know your final thought, like which, I don't know, I should go political or not, but which party you will belong? Like you'll
No,
vote?
I was just now 20 and
You will vote.
I had done my vote, but I can't say there is a lots of privacy,
Yeah.
so I can't cross my barrier.
Yeah. You can see like even youths are not being able to speak freedom. Like Rabindranath Tagore gave a word freedom to a nation. Like he gave a meaning, and he told us to live like that. But you can see the situation, like youths are not being able to speak out, like we will support this person, we will support this party, we will support this ideology, we will support that ideology. So this is a gap between the society, and we are the future, we are going to fill it. But yeah, we are trying our best, and we will do it. We have a series called Ashol Bangla, and we are going in each and every district of West Bengal, and we are trying to get to know the people view, people perspective. Basically, it is a political tool. Like I am a BJP person, like I truly support BJP.
Okay.
But I want to know the thing behind
But
TMC.
have you noticed that the new rule of UGC that
Yeah.
Modi ji had declared recent, it was not for the general.
Yeah,
So I will request you that you should make a video and also can stress upon the general
Definitely.
caste, because you know that the segregation was
Yeah. So you believe in reservation, or like
no.
you don't believe in reservation? Yeah, this is the future.
Because I think that everybody had a strength, and the competition should be equal.
Yeah. But the problem is, like society, like since decades we are divided into a lot of things, from jobs to mindset to people to treating each other.
Yeah.
So like for like to uplift all class of people, reservation is needed. And like we right now at the point that we both can study equally, we both can earn equally, we both have same talent, and we both have same platform. That's why we can say that like reservation is not.
But you can say that the equal perspective from a general student, where a general student should be harassed or
Yeah.
abused by any SC/ST caste, isn't it?
No.
So
Yeah, that is
the
not
rules
good.
should be equal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got
That's
it.
all.
Good. Very good to know. Like this is the future of our nation. Like we are the future of the nation. Everyone around us. So like it feels very good. Like to know. Like even right now also the youths of our nation are rooted. They love culture. They love like our roots. Like our people who gave us a lot of things, and like our virasat, you can say. So it is very good, and like it is very proud for me.